stiff neck, then you want to do the facelift to instantly decrease the stiff neck. And so a lot of times, besides bad posture, some of it could be coming from this front of your neck. When it gets tight, it pulls your neck forward. So the solution is you want to facelift this area because we have a fascia that's all connected. And if that gets tight, see, it brings your neck forward. So you want to relax it and then you want to pinch it, okay? So first, run your fist like this all around, even your face up here. And then you want to pinch it. Pinch it to elongate it. Then your neck gets less stiff, right? And then you want to pinch up here for your face. To do this every single day, once after lunch and once in the evening after you get off of work, right? Then move your neck around. I guarantee you your neck's gonna feel so much better. And you didn't even touch your neck, right? Why exercise? You should do this every single morning when you wake up to help loosen your neck. I recommend you just get a chair and sit down. Arms are relaxed. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna go out like that, right? So you're gonna breathe in when you go out. And then as you breathe in and go out, you're gonna turn your head one direction. Breathing is important to oxygenate your muscles so that it can relax your muscles. So as you go out, you're gonna breathe in. Breathe in through your nose, okay? Breathe in through your nose. I'm gonna exaggerate this. You're gonna go. And then when you come back, you can breathe out through your mouth, right? So you're gonna breathe in through your nose and go the other direction. You're gonna do it 30 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 30. Do this every day and your neck and your shoulders will just naturally start relaxing because you're oxygenating them.